having a good interactive panel discussion. So with this, I think we should invite the first presenter, Dr. Asir Ajmal, Professor of Psychology at the Government College University, Lahore. Dr. Asir.
Okay, before we begin, I would like to have a quick idea of the audience here, because my session is going to be interactive. You know, contrary to the instructions that were given, I'm sorry about that, but there was a last-minute change in plan. So can we just start from there, and could you just introduce yourself and say something about your background academically?
Well, I'm Jalha Ali is my name. I am a multimedia artist, musician, and a project manager.
Okay, thank you.
My name is Sarah. I'm a bread maker and
Okay. So you're an economist?
I'm not. I'm a physical science.
Right, okay, that's important for me to know. Thank you.